Imagine a pristine forest. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of pine and earth. Birds chirp melodiously, and the forest floor is a tapestry of green moss and fallen leaves. This is a sanctuary, untouched by the chaos of modern life. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dappled patterns on the ground. The light dances as the leaves sway gently, creating a mesmerizing play of shadows and light. It's a scene of serene beauty, a reminder of nature's timeless elegance. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves, whispering secrets of the forest. The sound is soothing, a natural symphony that calms the soul. But something is different. Something new is stirring within this ancient landscape. Among the deer and the squirrels, a robot moves with quiet grace. It observes the wildlife, its sensors capturing every detail. This robot is not an intruder, but a part of this ecosystem, moving with a purpose that aligns with nature's rhythm. It blends seamlessly with its surroundings, its design inspired by the very environment it inhabits. The robot's exterior mimics the textures and colors of the forest, making it almost invisible to the untrained eye. This is not science fiction, this is our reality, a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. These robots are designed to coexist with nature, to enhance our ability to protect and preserve the natural world. This is the future of conservation, where robots and AI work alongside us to protect our planet. They monitor wildlife, track environmental changes, and even assist in reforestation efforts. Their presence is a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. The line between the natural and the artificial is blurring. Technology is no longer confined to urban landscapes. It is merging with nature, creating a harmonious blend that benefits both. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era, an era where technology and nature are not adversaries but allies. This partnership holds the promise of a brighter, more sustainable future for all living beings. Robots are leaving the confines of factories and laboratories. They are stepping into the wild, equipped with advanced AI and sensors, ready to take on the challenges of environmental conservation. They are venturing into the wild, becoming guardians of our planet's most precious resources. These robots are not just machines, they are our partners in the quest to protect and preserve the natural world for future generations. The Wild Robot, a captivating novel, tells the story of Roz. Roz is a robot stranded on a remote island, far from any human civilization. She learns to survive and interact with the island's inhabitants, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. This fictional tale reflects a growing reality, where technology and nature are increasingly intertwined. Robots are no longer confined to the realms of imagination or science fiction. They are becoming active participants in natural ecosystems, assisting in conservation efforts and environmental monitoring. The Wild Robot sparks our imagination, encouraging us to think about the future of robotics. It makes us ponder the possibilities of robots coexisting with wildlife, working together in harmony. What was once a figment of our imagination is now within reach, as advancements in technology continue to break new ground. We are developing robots that can navigate complex environments, interact with animals, and collect valuable data, contributing to our understanding of the natural world. These robots are not just tools, they are partners in our quest to preserve and protect the environment. By monitoring wildlife and tracking animal movements, robots provide insights that were previously unattainable. They help repair damaged ecosystems and clean up pollution, showcasing the potential for a symbiotic relationship between technology and nature. The Wild Robot's legacy is a vision of a future where robots and nature coexist harmoniously, each enhancing the other's existence. As we continue to innovate, we move closer to this vision, where the line between the artificial and the natural becomes beautifully blurred.
Coral reefs, vibrant ecosystems teeming with life, face unprecedented threats. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing have ravaged these delicate underwater worlds. But there is hope. Scientists and engineers are deploying robots to protect and restore these vital habitats. Underwater robots, equipped with specialized tools, are assisting in coral reef restoration. They can plant coral fragments, monitor water quality, and even identify and remove invasive species. These robotic guardians are providing a lifeline to endangered coral reefs.
Protecting endangered species often requires tracking their movements across vast and inaccessible landscapes. Traditional methods like foot patrols can be time-consuming and limited in scope. Drones, however, are revolutionizing wildlife monitoring. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, drones can monitor wildlife populations from the air. They can detect poaching activities, track animal movements, and collect data on habitat health. This aerial surveillance provides valuable insights for conservation efforts.
Section 5, the ethical frontier, navigating the challenges. The deployment of robots in natural environments raises important ethical considerations. It is crucial to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and do not harm the ecosystems they are designed to protect. We must carefully assess the potential impact of robots on wildlife behavior. Will their presence disrupt natural processes? How can we mitigate the risk of robots becoming entangled with animals or disturbing their habitats?
Section 6. Balancing innovation and nature's integrity. Finding the right balance between technological innovation and preserving the integrity of natural ecosystems is paramount. We must proceed with caution, ensuring that our interventions are guided by a deep respect for the delicate balance of nature. The goal is not to replace human conservationists, but to provide them with powerful tools to enhance their efforts. Robots should be seen as partners in conservation, augmenting our abilities to understand and protect the natural world.
Section 7. The power of mimicry, bio-inspired robotics. Nature, with its billions of years of evolutionary refinement, offers a treasure trove of inspiration for roboticists. By mimicking the designs and movements of animals, we can create robots that are exceptionally well suited for navigating challenging environments. From robotic fish that can swim alongside real fish to snake-like robots that can navigate treacherous terrain, bio-inspired robots are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These robots offer new possibilities for studying and interacting with wildlife in their natural habitats.
Section 8. Learning from nature AI's evolutionary leap. Artificial intelligence, inspired by the learning processes of living organisms, is playing an increasingly vital role in wildlife conservation. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data collected by robots and sensors, revealing patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans to discern on their own. AI can help us predict animal behavior, identify poaching hotspots, and optimize conservation strategies. By learning from the intricate workings of nature, AI is transforming our ability to protect our planet's biodiversity.
Section 9. A symbiotic future collaboration for conservation. The future of conservation will be shaped by collaboration. Robots, AI, and humans each bring unique strengths to the table. By working together, we can amplify our efforts to protect wildlife and preserve wild places for generations to come. Imagine a world where robots assist park rangers in monitoring wildlife populations, where AI helps us predict and prevent environmental disasters. This symbiotic relationship between humans and technology holds immense promise for the future of conservation. Section 10. Inspiring stewardship robots as ambassadors. Robots, beyond their practical applications, have the potential to inspire a sense of wonder and stewardship for the natural world. By bringing us closer to wildlife and revealing the hidden intricacies of ecosystems, robots can foster a deeper appreciation for the planet we share. Imagine educational programs where robots take students on virtual safaris or deep-sea dives, igniting a passion for conservation in the next generation. Robots can be powerful ambassadors for the natural world, bridging the gap between technology and nature. Section 11. The uncharted territory, a call for exploration. We are standing at the precipice of a new era in conservation. The world around us is changing rapidly, and with it, our approach to preserving the environment must evolve. The edge of this cliff symbolizes the threshold we are about to cross, into a realm where technology and nature coexist in harmony. The possibilities offered by robotics and AI are as vast and unexplored as the wildest reaches of our planet. These technologies can help us monitor ecosystems, track endangered species, and even predict environmental changes before they happen. Imagine drones mapping out the most remote areas of the Amazon rainforest, or robots planting trees in regions devastated by deforestation. It is a future ripe with potential, but it is also a future that demands careful navigation. We must ensure that our technological advancements do not disrupt the delicate balance of nature. The integration of these tools into our conservation efforts must be done thoughtfully, with respect for the ecosystems we aim to protect. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we must do so with a sense of responsibility, curiosity, and a deep commitment to preserving the irreplaceable wonders of the natural world. Researchers and conservationists are already using AI to analyze data and make more informed decisions. Forest rangers are equipped with advanced tools to better protect wildlife and their habitats. The future of conservation is a shared journey, one that we must embark on together, with robots as our companions and nature as our guide. This collaborative effort between humans and machines holds the promise of a brighter, more sustainable future. Together, we can explore new frontiers, discover innovative solutions, and ensure that the beauty and diversity of our planet are preserved for generations to come.